Thanks, Mina. For the framework for critiquing this website, we end up using the framework of usability, aesthetics, and content. We looked at the website from the consumer's perspective with regard to usability, and we found the website to be very easy to navigate. We liked the idea that they included easy-to-follow recipes and pre-portioned ingredients that are sent to you, and the only thing you have to do is put them together and cook them. This is explained very well. We also liked that the ingredients were locally sourced when possible, and the company was concerned about sustainability, food waste, and the environment in general. For example, their boxes were lined with biodegradable textile fibers. I think this would appeal to many users today. The aesthetic was colorful, and the food looked very appetizing. Almost every meal looked like something I would love to eat. The content was simple but informative, with options to tailor for different diets. Suggestions for improvement. One thing that would be helpful is to have more videos on how to make the meals. They do have different slides, but I think the videos would be a nice addition. And for accessibility, these videos could be both subtitled, and the users could choose from multiple languages in which to watch the videos. There could also be just one main call to action button at the top to get started rather than 3 on the home page. Also, it is not clear at first that you are the one doing the cooking. Rather than just showing the completed meals on the home page, they could maybe have an image of the ingredients, then an image of the cookware, which they do sell on their website, and then finally the completed meal. And finally, research questions. First research question we had was, what do users like the most and the least about using Home Chef? And 2, which companies are their closest competitors, and how do they distinguish themselves from the competitors? Thank you.